stars align. Glenmore Park's a place that shines. Candles glow and hearts entwine.
Through the streets we weave and sing. Lanterns sway like angel wings. Souhrada Koottayma calls tonight.
With voices pure and hearts alight, the echoes dance on frosted trees, a symphony of unity.
Snowflakes fall like whispered grace. Warmth spreads in every face. Ring the bells, let the music soar. Surround our hearts forevermore. Glenmore Park's alive tonight, with carols painting the sky in light.
Oh, ring the bells,
Let the world be still, a Christmas love that forever will.
families gather side by side, joy and laughter amplified. The choir rises bold and true, each note a gift for me and you.